everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove a green screen background from any still image using a program called Davinci Resolve. But first, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button because it really helps me out a lot. Okay, Davinci Resolve is a free program. You can download it from blackmagicdesign.com, and in a few minutes I'll go over here and show you the website. But I will also leave a link in the description so you can go there and find it easily. Like I said, it is a free program, but there's also a paid version. It's £245, which in US dollars that's somewhere around 300. So I just stick with the basic free program. It does everything I need and it works for me. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to start by opening Davinci Resolve. It's right here. And then we're going to head over here and find the images that you want to use. So I'm going to get a basic kitchen countertop. And I'm going to place this cute kitty on top of this countertop because we know cats love to jump up on the counter, right? Okay, so you'll just take your background image and you will slide it down onto your timeline like that. And then we will take our green screen kitty cat and place him right on top. So now you can see it totally took over the image. You can't see the background image at all right now, but we're going to fix that really quick. So we're going to head on over here to the Fusion tab. It looks really confusing, but it's not. Once you get the hang of it, it's really easy. So we're going to right click, Add Tool, Matte, Delta Keyer. And then you'll see that this node pops up here. We're just going to drag this line over to Media In 1. Drag this line over to Media Out 1. And you see right here now it's all connected and everything's good and ready to go. So go over here to the dropper tool, left click, slide it over. Now you can see that your kitty cat is on just a plain transparent background. The green is gone. So we'll head back over here to the Edit tab and you can see you have your cat. So now he's not completely straight, so we're going to go over here to the Inspector tab and we're just going to drop him down just a little, just like that. And voila, you have your cat on your kitchen counter. So then you'll want to render your project. So you'll just go over here to the Deliver tab, just name your file, whatever you want to name it. We're going to name it Cat. I always, when I'm doing my green screens, I do render on a really high resolution, but for this tutorial today, we're just going to set it to 1920 by 1080 HD. You want to make sure your format is set to MP4. That's just the standard format and it just seems the easiest to use, so set it to that. And then I'm just going to leave everything else like it is. I'm going to add them to the render queue. Okay, you can see that you now have it over here. It's ready to go. So all you have to do is go to Render All. And then that's going to render. But while that's doing that, I'm going to go over here and show you. This is Davinci Resolve 18 by Blackmagic Design. Really easy, really simple to get. Just download it. And then, you know, it does have a good deal many effects with just the free version. I don't really use them all because I make green screen videos, so it's just basic. But in the Davinci Resolve Studio, you have more effects and it's way more advanced, and I'm not really to that yet, but we will be one day, and maybe I'll purchase this program, but for right now I just go with the free version. Okay, go back over here and we see that our project is now rendered and completed. So we're just going to go into our videos. Render to. He's right here. So we're just going to open him up and there he is. Simple as that. Yeah, it's really easy. But in a future tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to remove backgrounds from videos and probably some other tutorials I might do on some green screens, so you want to stay tuned for that. Just leave me comments down below if you want to see more tutorials, and please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and stay tuned for future content.